Hello guys, and welcome to another Max Oliver tutorial. Today I'm going to be going through how to razor a nice sharp curved line on your bearding using a cutthroat razor. Some people get scared using these things, which you should definitely be cautious because they're very unforgiving. But first of all is the handling. I would recommend putting it into an L position, putting 2 fingers in front and 2 fingers behind with your thumb underneath, and just getting comfortable using that. And from this position you can cut from here with being able to see what you're doing still, and you can move onto this side and once again still be able to see what you're doing. The razor blade doesn't sit flat on your cheek when you're doing it, nor is it straight into it. It is at a 45-degree angle. And the pressure that you're putting on your skin is light. Always use a brand new razor blade, not just for hygiene, but for just maximum sharpness, which will just get through the thickest of beards smoothly. So first of all, I'm going to apply a small bit of shaving cream just around the exterior of my beard here. Not too much because I don't want to distort the line which I want to be cutting. But yeah, again, I don't want to irritate the skin either. So first of all, I'm going to be using some of the Max Oliver shaving cream, if it wants to focus. There we go. And you don't need much. So I'm going to do one side first. And just quite lightly apply it, sketching out the shape that you want to create, and then we're going to quite simply do it on the other side also. So the trick is to not cut too deeply into your beard, because the more you cut in, the more you can go lower and lower and lower and lower until it's balanced, and then it's going to be quite a lot of maintenance work. If you always just take off the very light hairs, you'll be surprised on how much shape and strength it can give, and it doesn't make it too hard to always keep it there, because naturally it should be pretty balanced as it is. So I'm going to go 2 fingers in front, 2 fingers behind, and now the trick is to create a curved line is to cut a straight line. And now let me show you how I do that. So I'm going to put 1 finger above here. I'm going to lift my skin. As you can see, this curved line now becomes a straight line. So I'm going to lift up the skin, put the razor blade on it at a 45-degree angle. I'm going to stop talking here, otherwise it could get bad. So I'm going to lift it up, and I'm going to cut a straight line, and as it drops you'll see it will be a nice curve. So here we go. Drop, have a little look, and work a little bit further down. Work a little bit further up here. So where it's curving here, you now want to pull the skin this way to create that straight line. You get a nice sharp line. Now on the other side. And you only want to be going up and down with this. You do not want to be going diagonal. You don't want to be going side to side. Otherwise you'll be seeing beautiful. So here we go on the other side. I'm going to once again lift the skin. I'm now going to turn my hand backwards, and now once again lift it so it's a straight line. Relax, look at it, move down lower, lift it up. Nice, and then higher again. So wherever the curve is, you want to be pulling away from that to create that curved line so it's straight. So I'm going to do it again here. Nice. It's not one of those things that you look pretty whilst doing, but it looks good after. Brush it all in. It's all moisturiser. There we go. Hope that tip helps, and please show me your results. And any questions you have with this or anything you're unsure about, do drop me a message, and I'm more than happy to walk you through it, talk you through it too. Hope that helps. Peace.